pretty much like it did last time, don't it?
Yeah. We're staying here, don't we?
Yeah. Got a ticket for 2 adults, $24.56. Going down now to wait on the boat. This one here?
Yep, just wait right in there.
Over here on the boat right there.
This is where the boat's docked. When it comes to the boat, we'll be riding on it. Maybe not that exact one, but one like it. Heading down the river.
This is awesome. Ooh, look at that outside.
You can ride a tram or a boat. We chose the boat.
Depends on how, if you keep your eyes peeled on the banks, if you've never been on the boat before, you probably won't mean anything to you, but if you keep your eyes peeled on the banks, you're going to see a lot of things that you don't normally see that are covered up with water. Pretty almost singular boats of the feeding zones there around the observatory. Unfortunately, the lady had asked for water, drinking water, so they were going to stop the water tower.
I saw one.
But the company lost all their financing, housing development. Bienvenga is that's the name of this boat. The park rangers within the park are very, very knowledgeable about all their things about this. I appreciate that very much. Thank you.
Main building's closed from hurricane damage, so we got to go around the side. We made it inside, but we're gonna head to the fish
Oh,
bowl.
the whatchamacallit ain't working this time.
What?
Remember, it was a fountain.
Oh yeah.
There's a manatee right there. See him?
Yep.
Ain't that what that is? Yeah, that's a
It is.
manatee. Yeah, they're out there. Look, they're out there playing. Come here.
They did say that the water was low today, and they were having problems getting in there, so they might not be in the mass numbers we were hoping for.
It's shallow. I don't see them coming either. Look how shallow that is.
Hopefully. Underwater Observatory, also known as the Fish Bowl.
Yeah.
Located in a spring here. Look at all them fish.
I'm in a run for one. Let's go see. Look.
Piles of fish, ain't there?
Yeah, how did you get down here?
Oh, they got it closed, ain't they?
Let's see.
He's like playing with them.
Yeah.
Hurricane damage. Well, that sucks.
And that's what you came for.
Yeah. Well, let's go do whatever else we want to do. Well, we're here. Even though it's closed, we're going to make the best we can of the day.
We're back in right here.
All right, we're at the Discovery Center.
It's closed. It wasn't closed last time we came.
No, let's see what it says.
Hard work, baby.
Due to storm damage and flooding.
Wait, nothing. None of this worked last time we came.
Well, I see him was back out of the water. There's a bunch of them over here, baby. Oh, here's one right here. Right there. Enjoying that sun, man. I had a little fish flock all around me. They're playing right there now.
I don't want to get on. They're playing, see them?
Yup.
Your video, can you see them?
I don't know, we had to see in the final edit, I believe so. Cause there was one in here last time we came. He was right there by the gate.
Yep.
They got it drained down. Yep. White-tailed deer.
What's that drawing on their horns? What is that? Oh, it comes off?
Yeah. Coming up on Lou the Hippo.
While ago, you had to say it's sitting up there like this, like, take my pictures.
Lou just celebrated a birthday, didn't he? So
65. They had his party Friday.
you got it closed off.
Yep. Maybe this one.
See that wildlife walk over there. You got something.
Let's go look in there. And then we'll walk in.
Yeah, this is the reptile center. Oh, it's a gator, ain't it?
Yep.
Little fountain coming out of the rock.
Here he is.
I'll tell you what he is now.
Yeah, a Florida pine snake right there.
Okay. It's supposed to be a king snake. There he is.
Where?
Right there.
Snakes have to be warm.
Full king snake, another full king snake. He's gonna get active, ain't he?
Yep.
Mama, if you cold, don't stand in here, you gotta look, some people.
Yellow.
When we're out there fishing and whatnot, and walking through the water,
Got his head up,
you never know they're just
Yep, he's watching us.
And out there,
Look
you
at the
got
rattlers on it.
you're here, you can't even find
Yeah,
it.
he's watching.
You can't even find it without you're looking for it. Okay, they're outside. They're at the gate looking for it.
That tongue was over there.
Look, Nana. It's in here. I know, I got seen. What?
Boy, it's messing with person.
Did we just get...
They're the ones that eat on
Pygmy right
They more poisonous.
And it was.
They say that, I don't know, I've never actually looked
It still
it up.
wasn't stressed all the way out. It was a couple.
This is an indigo.
Daddy, look.
They get big. Well, look at all that. Oh, hurricane had this effect too, didn't it? Supposed to be a bobcat here.
A who?
A bobcat.
There he is.
Where?
Look at him. See him over there?
Okay, well, he's about in the corner. Here he comes out in the light. Look at him. That's cool, ain't it?
He's pretty, ain't he?
He is. This is the Florida panther observation area.
Oh, there he is right there. See him?
Yep. Laying out there chilling. That's a nest down out there, see it? Little island out there.
They got bugs, so they keep itching.
Spoonbill is what they are. He ain't playing it. Look how he opens that mouth and that fills up. I guess for that, There, them old birds said it's time to move. Red-tailed hawk.
Hawks are pretty.
Oh, they are. I like to watch them in the wild when they're eating stuff. I got a couple little shorts on that. There's some eagles.
Favorite animal in the world. Well, not my favorite, but I ain't seen no peacocks. That's my favorite. I like these too. I think they're
American
beautiful.
bald eagle. Or I guess he's just a bald eagle. The iconic national bird of the United States. See their little kin. Something we've just started seeing in parks that hadn't always been in a lot of these state parks is they've started accommodating the handrails for handicapped people in wheelchairs. See, it sets a little lower and they even put a sign on it kind of pointed out to you. We used to not see that in these parks, but now you do. That's pretty neat that they're doing that. No, it's completely dry, ain't it? Just a mud flat. They have low water down here. And you can see it as you walk in the park. Got the hiccup?
Yes, I keep them. I do one or two, it'd be.
Them red eyes.
Are they red?
Yep. Blood red.
You looking at them?
Making sure my camera was on them. Another view of Lou the Hippo. See which one comes first for the ride back, the tram or the boat.
Jack, shut your mouth. Lord have mercy, Jesus. You had to do that. Did you just video that too?
No. Yeah, I don't think there's no shots on these trains. You got your phone?
You understand what I'm saying?
I understand crystal clear what you say. I think the question you're looking at for is, do I agree? And will I comply?
You're not going to fly?
Yeah. Mostly.
Embarrassing. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
You promise? Say I promise, Tracy.
I promise, Tracy.
That you won't show your ass.
I'm not going to show my ass.
You go to these state parks a lot?